Good morning, you guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's a brand new week. It's Monday, you guys. Wake up, get up, let's go at work. Let's go at work, you guys. Received my first order. It was $22, going 6 mile. It's going 6 mile and what? I don't know. And I'm done shopping for it, you guys. I'm about to check out right now. Okay, y'all, so it is 7:40 right now. 7:40? I think it's about 8 now. So let's go drop this order off, y'all. Let's go drop it off. Let's get this money, y'all, this holiday season. If you don't work this holiday season, you are missing out. You are missing out. Let's get this money. We have another order. It's $19, you guys. It's going 4 mile into the shopping order. So I have already shopped everything. Right now I'm going to check out. You guys, I am ready for today. I am ready to make this money. And I'm going home around 8 tonight. So we better make this money. I just received another shopping order, you guys. $26. I'm shopping for 25 items. And it's going 9 mile, y'all. 9 miles. So I am down for it. I'm down for it. So let's go at Walmart. All done, all done. Going at checkout. $21, you guys, and it's going 5 mile. And I'm shopping for 3 items. 3 items, yeah. So hey, yeah, this was a batched order. I had to shop for 2 people, so this is 1 and this is 2. So I put this for my divider so they don't mix up together. So I'm here. I'm delivering this one, this one or this one. I don't know. Let me go check. I'm not sure. All right, I had to scan this one and let's go drop it off. This next drop off, yeah, I'm going 15 minutes. I am going 15 minutes. Right now it's 11:13, y'all. 11:13, and when I'm done with this one, I think I'm gonna be on 110. It's now 120. Because right now I have $82 plus this $30. Yeah. Gonna be like 112, something like that. So let's go. 16.99, you guys, and that's going 7 mile. I only had to shop for 5 items. So right now I'm going at checkout. Let me tell you this. I went to 3 interests, you guys, looking for carts. This Walmart here have 3 interests, and both of the interests, they don't have no carts. So I decided to come outside and get carts. Like, people are shopping today. They're shopping. Anyway, I have an order, you guys. $20. $20. And it's going 6 miles. And I have to shop for, I think it's like 12 items. So, let's go. It's 12 right now. And after this one, I'm going to have 150, y'all. 150. So, hi. People are just looking at who's this crazy woman talking to herself. Another order, you guys. $20. It's going 9 miles. And it's a shopping order. I am going to shop for 8 items, yeah. 8 items. $24, you guys. I'm shopping for 33 items. 33 items. Yo, this order right here, it was $27. I mean $24. And it was a shopping order, and I had to shop for I think 20 some item as well. So right now I am here to deliver it. You guys, comment down below, how is your area right now? Like, are you making money? Are you making money? Are you busy? I think everywhere is busy, you guys. I feel like every Walmart, every city, every state, I think you're busy. Tell me, are you making money? Are you making money? Because I am making money today, y'all. I am making money. It's 4:15 right now. 4:15, and I already have 225, y'all. 225 is what we have so far. So, you know what that means. We are making it tonight, because I'm not going home anytime soon. Anytime soon. We're gonna make sure we finish all the money, y'all. And tomorrow they're closing earlier, so I need to work, yeah. I need this last money. $26, you guys. It's going 7 miles. And it's a shopping order. I'm going to shop for 17 items. So let's go. Okay, yo, it's 7:50 something right now, and I'm still here. I'm still in the store. They just give me another shopping order, and I think this might be my last order. Money, money, money. So it's $20 going to 5 Mile, and I'm only shopping for 2 items. I already shopped for one, and I'm here to. Oops. And I'm here to check my last one. So I'm trying to see if this is the right one, and trying to see where's the sticker to scan. I mean, the place to scan. All right, so let me scan this and let me see if this is the right one because they have a couple there. Let me scan it. Yo, it was the right items. Ooh, I'm coming back to get this one for my daughter. I need to get this one for my daughter. My last shopping I'm going to do today. I love this. I'm going to shop this one. Okay, let's go. Should I love Moana? Should I give Moana too? Wow, look at that, y'all. Look at that. Somebody who knows how to celebrate Christmas. Look at that. Hold on. Am I delivering here? So beautiful, y'all. It's where I'm delivering. And look at that one too. Super beautiful. Only these two houses, y'all. Only these two houses. So let's take this one. Let's take this heavy item over. So beautiful. Ooh. Oh. You guys, I almost forget y'all. I almost forget about ending this vlog. So I went home around 8. Yeah, and guess how much money I made, you guys? $317 plus the $30 incentive, y'all. Yes, it was that busy. You guys. Oh my gosh, order was hitting me back to back. Oh, wow. So I can't wait till tomorrow, yeah. I can't wait till tomorrow. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to comment. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.